Welcome guys to my latest unboxing. Let's see what we have. Alright, here we go. Very interesting. Actually, I did not purchase this at all. What I did purchase was this one here. I purchased what is the Spaceforce coin, and the reason why I bought this was these are very interesting times, and I'm a big fan of going to space, and I would really like to see the first woman on the moon. And it's great to know that there's funding finally for a lot of space projects like SpaceX. Big fan of that as well. And I'm hoping that someday we will get to Mars. Anyway, thanks for watching. I did not expect to get this one. This apparently they sent for free. And well, nothing's better than getting something for free, but you know, there's gonna be somebody who's gonna give me heat for getting one of those. But yeah, I only bought this one, and the other one came for free. This looks pretty cool though, guys. American Eagle, the planet, and look at the symbol. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how cool this coin is, and I will see you in the next one.